Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have your scans. Start by grouping them and picking an OCR app that supports searchable PDF output. Choose 300 dpi or higher if possible, because OCR accuracy depends on image quality. Once chosen, set the recognition language and output type. Make sure batch processing is enabled if you have many files. Now import your files into the app and preview a representative page to confirm skew and clarity before running full recognition. This first step prevents wasted work. Next, you optimize images and set advanced OCR options. You should deskew and despeckle noisy pages, because cleaner images produce better text. Once done, pick the correct language model and enable layout or column detection so tables and multi-column text remain structured. Choose between faster or higher accuracy engines and run a single-page test to evaluate results. That gives you a benchmark. If you need selectable text with original look, output a searchable PDF rather than plain text. Finish by exporting the searchable PDF and saving the original scans as backups. You must verify key pages by searching for common words and visually proofreading critical sections, correct misrecognized characters, or run targeted re-OCR on problem pages. If accuracy is low, try rescanning at higher DPI, switch engines, or adjust the language and dictionaries. Finally, compress or combine PDFs if needed, and export a final copy. And if something goes wrong, rescan and repeat with adjusted settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.